Where does the name for Marchwiel come from? So today I'm in Wrexham County Borough and I'm in a village just south of Wrexham itself called Marchwiel. Let's get into the name. The name Marchwiel comes directly from the Welsh word Marchwiail, meaning saplings. The slight difference between Marchwiail and Marchwiel is thought to reflect a local pronunciation of the word, which has been preserved in the place name. But why would such a place be named after saplings? There are a few possibilities. According to the Dictionary of Place Names of Wales, the saplings may have been cultivated here for charcoal or for withies, the flexible branches traditionally used for things like thatching, basket making and fencing. Another possibility, suggested by Heneb, is that the saplings were used in the original construction of the church, but we should be a little cautious about that explanation. It may simply be an attempt to explain Marchwiel in the same way as Bangor, whose name is associated with a type of woven fence surrounding an ecclesiastical enclosure. Whatever the original reason, the name gives us a glimpse of what the landscape here may have once been used for, and that Marchwiel has an old connection with the church. There was once a church here from the 6th or 7th century dedicated to St Dainiol, the same saint associated with Bangor and Gwynedd. The present church, however, was built in 1778 and is dedicated to St Marcella and St Dainiol. Inside it contains the remains of numerous members of the York family who lived nearby at Erddig. So the name literally means saplings. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one. Big thank you to the good people of the church in Marchwiel for helping me out with a bit of water there. Very much appreciated. Beautiful church as well. Let me have a look around inside, I love it.